Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Rebel Scoutmaster. Today we're going to install these ditch light brackets from Valkyrie Off-Road. Okay everybody, welcome back. So today, like I said, we're going to install these ditch light brackets from Valkyrie Off-Road, and full disclosure, they put a word out on Facebook and they wanted some people to test this new product, and I reached out to them and they agreed to send me a set. So I appreciate Corey and everybody over there at Valkyrie Off-Road for helping me out with that. So in the bag you're going to get a couple of washers, and you get a little decal and everything, and you get your brackets. That it should be pretty easy install. I don't have the lights yet, but I'm going to go ahead and get these installed, and then I'll do another video in a few weeks when I get my lights and do a light install. So we'll just start with this. I got a neat little, check that out. It's got a pretty awesome design logo that's cut into that. It's pretty kick-ass. So all right, we'll move over here to the side and we'll get set up. So these are the bolts you're going to take out. One's a T25 and the other is a T30. You should be able to just back those right out. The Bronco toolkit comes with a T30, but not the T25. So be aware, you're going to need a T25 for this one on both sides. That's it guys, pretty easy. They're not in there very tight. So now what I'll do is take and set the bracket on top here, just like that. Washer goes on top. That's it everybody. That's the first side done. See what it looks like there, and you have your space for mounting your light. And you can tuck your wires right back under here. Okay, that's side one, so let's go do side two. There you have it. That's all there is to it. Let's get a little closer look. Very sturdy. Not going anywhere. Looks good. And then like I said, when you mount your light on here, your wires are going to go directly under here down into the cowl. So like you can see, it was pretty easy install. Only took a few minutes to get that done. Again, thanks Corey over at Valkyrie Off-Road for sending me these ditch mount brackets. Appreciate that. About another few weeks I'll get some lights and put those on there and do an install vid for those lights. So you guys keep a watch out for that. Like I said, if you like and subscribe, you'll be able to see that. So if you would, peace guys.